Welcome to your definitive guide on cryptocurrency investment strategies for 2025. In the rapidly evolving realm of digital assets, knowledge is your best ally. While the cryptocurrency landscape becomes increasingly streamlined, its inherent volatility makes educated decision-making paramount. Your journey begins with a critical understanding of your risk tolerance, for diving headfirst into this world demands prudence. The digital currency market, though more established than it once was, is still akin to a wild frontier, brimming with opportunities yet fraught with pitfalls. To safeguard against undue risk, it is advisable to limit your cryptocurrency holding to approximately 5 to 10% of your investment portfolio. This range facilitates a balanced approach, allowing you to partake in the potential of cryptocurrencies while preserving your financial health. Diversification across various asset classes contributes to a well-rounded investment strategy, minimizing the likelihood of crippling losses. As you delve into specific cryptocurrencies, grounding your choices in personal research proves invaluable. Resist the allure of following trends pushed by self-proclaimed experts. Instead, immerse yourself in the intricacies of the projects on your radar. Analyze their technical frameworks, scrutinize the teams behind them, and investigate their developmental roadmaps. Each cryptocurrency boasts unique qualities that contribute to its viability. Understanding these nuances will help you avoid hasty decisions born from superficial understanding. Moreover, familiarize yourself with essential concepts such as market capitalization, liquidity, and transaction fees. These elements play a significant role in the potential success of your investments. They can indicate the stability and long-term promise of specific coins, guiding your choices as you navigate the labyrinth of available options. Furthermore, consider joining cryptocurrency communities, whether online or local, to exchange ideas with experienced investors and enthusiasts who share your quest for knowledge. Finally, remain vigilant about regulatory developments in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. As governments develop frameworks guiding these digital currencies, understanding how changes in regulation may impact the market will help you adapt your strategies accordingly. By following these guidelines, you will not only enhance your investment knowledge, but also forge a pathway toward making informed and responsible choices in the world of cryptocurrencies, paving the way for potential success. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency can be daunting for beginners, but focusing on established, major cryptocurrencies is a wise strategy. These digital assets, often seen at the pinnacle of market rankings, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, provide a relatively safer investment landscape. While the investment returns might be modest compared to riskier, smaller projects, the reduction in risk is notably significant, making it a practical choice for novice investors keen on building a solid foundation. One of the appealing traits of major cryptocurrencies is their stability. Unlike their lesser-known counterparts, they exhibit reduced volatility, characterized by slower price fluctuations and a consistent market presence. This stability can instill confidence in new investors as they navigate the complexities of the crypto market, allowing for more informed decision-making without the anxiety that comes from sudden market drops. Over time, this reliable performance can yield steady returns, reinforcing the rationale behind investing in well-established digital currencies. For those seeking further diversification, without delving deep into individual cryptocurrency selections, cryptocurrency funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, emerge as excellent alternatives. These investment vehicles enable investors to indirectly gain exposure to a variety of cryptocurrencies in a single purchase. Notable ETFs, such as the Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, and the Crypto Market ETF, offer a comprehensive view of the sector, significantly simplifying the investment process while spreading risk across multiple assets. This method not only alleviates the decision-making burden, but also contributes to a more balanced portfolio. Another investment option, especially appealing to cautious newcomers, is stablecoins. These digital currencies are tethered to fiat currencies or tangible assets, like gold, providing a bridge between traditional finance and crypto innovations. Stablecoins such as Tether, USDT, USD Coin, USDC, and DAI maintain a higher degree of stability, ensuring that investors can transact with greater predictability. By harnessing the speed of blockchain technology and the absence of intermediaries, Stablecoins present an attractive opportunity for beginners looking to ease into the crypto space while mitigating potential risks. In the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrencies, diversification stands as a pillar of wise investing. Rather than placing your financial future solely in the hands of a single cryptocurrency, consider casting a wider net across various projects. This approach not only spreads your risk, but also opens doors to untapped potential within different sectors of the crypto market. Imagine your portfolio as a vibrant garden, flourishing with a variety of flowers, each representing a unique cryptocurrency, thriving together, shielding you from the storms of market volatility. To implement an effective diversification strategy, take advantage of exchange platforms that specialize in portfolio management. These platforms act like seasoned gardeners, growing your investments with tools that automatically distribute your assets across numerous cryptocurrencies. This way, should one plant wither, the others can still bask in the sun, ensuring your financial garden remains resilient and prosperous. By employing this tactic, you can cultivate a balanced portfolio that reflects various emerging trends and innovations. Security is another cornerstone of cryptocurrency investment that cannot be overlooked. Visualize your digital assets stored in a safe, impenetrable vault, not left exposed in a public market. Use reliable hardware or software wallets designed to keep your cryptocurrencies secure, effectively isolating your investments from potential threats lurking on exchange platforms. By enabling two-factor authentication, you create an additional line of defense, ensuring that only you have access to your wealth. Treat your investments with a protective mindset, staying vigilant when interacting with unknown projects or wallets, as navigating the crypto space requires both caution and skill. Staying informed in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies is akin to having a compass in uncharted waters. You must regularly tune in to reliable information sources to navigate the ever-evolving trends, regulations, and innovations that arise daily. Engage with insightful webinars, participate in investor communities, and absorb knowledge from thought leaders in the sector. These efforts will not only enhance your understanding, but also equip you to identify the most intriguing investment opportunities. Embracing knowledge empowers you to act decisively and confident, steering your portfolio towards promising horizons. In summary, a holistic approach to cryptocurrency investment encompasses diversification, security, and continuous learning. By nurturing a varied portfolio, safeguarding your investments, and staying updated with industry transformations, you lay the groundwork for a successful venture into the crypto market. As the tides of this vibrant sector ebb and flow, these strategies will help you chart a course towards sustainable financial growth and success. As we conclude this extensive guide on cryptocurrency investment, it is essential to revisit the core principles that will help you navigate this complex landscape. Maintaining a prudent allocation of around 5 to 10% of your total portfolio toward cryptocurrencies is a fundamental step. This strategic allocation is designed to shield you from the erratic fluctuations that often characterize this dynamic market, ensuring that your overall financial stability remains intact while you explore potential opportunities. Delving deeper into your investment choices is crucial. Avoid the common trap of relying on superficial endorsements. Instead, engage in thorough research. Understand the intricate technical characteristics of each cryptocurrency. Scrutinize the project teams behind them and evaluate their long-term growth potential. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions rather than being swayed by transient trends. For those just starting their foray into the crypto realm, concentrating your investments on established cryptocurrencies or opting for diversified crypto-related funds, or ETFs, is advisable. These pathways offer a closed entry to the market while simultaneously minimizing risk, allowing you to learn without incurring significant losses. Diversification acts as a safeguard against volatility. By spreading your investments across various crypto projects, you reduce the impact of a poor-performing asset on your portfolio's overall performance. This strategy can provide a balanced approach to harnessing the innovative potential of multiple cryptocurrencies. Moreover, security should never be underestimated in the realm of digital assets. Use trusted wallets and enable two-factor authentication to bolster your defenses against potential threats. Regularly revisiting security practices ensures your capital remains protected in an environment where risks constantly evolve. Lastly, Staying informed is paramount. Engage with trusted sources of information and join investor communities to keep your finger on the pulse of the crypto market. This proactive approach will not only enhance your understanding, but also expose you to ideas and insights that can shape your investment strategy. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a journey that requires prudence, a commitment to learning, and a responsible mindset. By adhering to these guidelines, you position yourself to capitalize on the opportunities that the crypto market presents, especially as we look ahead towards 2025 and beyond. Thank you for your attention, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Wishing you all successful investing.